What is going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about 1616 all-purpose fertilizer. Um, I'm going to be trying this out this year. No longer getting the Scots, um, and I'm just going to explain what are the benefits of getting 1616 versus like the Scots one. Scots one you see at the store will have like 27, 0, and 0. This one has 16 all around, which is great because it covers all the micronutrients that your grass needs. If you could remember, the first number is N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, and the K is for like potash or calcium. So N is for nitrogen, which will green up your lawn. The phosphorus will take care of the root system, and the K will be for the drought. It'll take care of the heat in the summertime. So yeah, it has all the percentages on the packaging as well. So that's what it just means: 16% of everything from nitrogen to phosphorus to calcium. You can see on the bag it says nitrogen 16%, phosphorus 16%, and soluble potash, calcium 16%. So yeah, this would be preferable to choose this one over the Scots or the other ones, because this is a well-rounded fertilizer compared to the ones you get at the big box stores. So if you guys want to try it out, yeah, I'll be laying this down soon. So we'll see how it goes for this year.